What's going on, guys? So today in this video we're going to show you how to get the perfect dose like this. So we're going to be using my lovely little R33 over here. So let me pop the bonnet. So what you're going to need first is obviously a turbo car, because without that you're not going to get any noise. Second of all, front mount intercooler. Without a front intercooler like this, you're not going to get any noise. And then second of all, having a MAF or airflow meter is also going to dependingly ruin the sound or make it less quiet, less loud and all that. And the first step to all of this is getting rid of your factory intake, which still looks some weird shit like this if you're doing this on a RB or R33. That's because the rubber intake doesn't make the noise echo, and let's be honest, it can crack because it's rubber out of heat and old age and all that. So once we get rid of that, we are going to be moving on to changing the pipe with either these. So depending on the material, length, bends, blah blah blah, you're going to get different noise. So we're going to be trying out an aluminium bend, so it's pretty short, and a stainless steel straight. So depending, and usually if your turbo outlet is, let's say, 2.5 inch, just leave it 2.5 inch to get the perfect high pitch doses. If you try to make a turbo that's 2.5 inch outlet to a 4 inch or a 3.5 inch, it's not going to be that nice. So if you have a 4 inch turbo outlet, just leave it 4 inch, don't reduce it. Don't be silly now, guys. So we're going to be trying out this one first, and we're going to go see how it sounds. Now usually changing the intake pipes on these are pretty easy, just legit, just a silicone hose. So we're just going to try this one in. So we're going to snake this through in here, put it into the turbo, just like that, and we're going to go hit the road. You have to still undo that clamp up, so don't worry about that one. Alright, now we've got this installed, let's go for a ride and see how this bad boy sounds.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, dude.
Fuck yeah, dude.
You guys just heard how it sounds. I reckon it sounds pretty good, like a little VL and shit. I reckon it sounds mixed. But then, so to go over what you guys need to get a sound like this is, I forgot to tell you guys this before, no blow-off valve. If you have a blow-off valve, it will not make this noise at all. All it will make is blow-off valve noise, which is psh, psh, which, to be honest, I'm not a fan of. Front mount intercooler, no MAF sensor. Well, you could have a MAF sensor, but I don't know how it sounds. And to go no MAF, obviously you guys need to go to a MAF sensor, so you can either go standalone, which is the only way if you guys have a car that has a MAF, like 33s, Sylvias, Subis and stuff like that. And also the size and length of your pipe, bends, no bends and all that. And you guys can play around to get a good noise like this. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.